plain to poppin'. Let's press some personality on this tee. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to heat press your very own t-shirts. Let's go. Right here at the top is where the heat comes from. It evenly spreads across the entire plate. At the bottom is your platform. This is where you will place your t-shirt. It comes with a foam padding underneath to absorb the pressure and the heat to support the fabric nicely. Plus, the platform slides out. It keeps your hands safe from the hot element at the top. We'll be doing 3 presses on one t-shirt. The first press, you slide out the table, place the t-shirt on the platform, and cover it with a non-stick Teflon sheet. This sheet protects both the t-shirt and the design from melting onto the hot element. This press is to remove the creases and the moisture from the fabric. It also helps prepare the fibers to accept the adhesive of your design. Slide the table back and press it for 10 seconds. The 16-in-1 heat press comes with a default time and temperature settings. So it'll automatically release from the magnetic lock once the time runs out. Second press. Now place your design exactly where you want it. Cover it again with a Teflon sheet. And press another 10 seconds. Once it's done, slide it out, remove the Teflon sheet and peel off the transfer film. Right after that, open the t-shirt and cool it down. This prevents the adhesive from sticking to the other side of the fabric. The third and final press. With your design already on the shirt, place the Teflon sheet over it again and press again for 10 seconds. This final press enhances the design, locks it in, and brings out those vibrant colors beautifully. And just like that, you've got a funky looking t-shirt ready to go. And the best part, you can do it many times more. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. See you in the next one.